INFY's ADR surged 3.19% overnight. Three Indian IT giants just flipped positive on U.S. exchanges. NYSE closing data confirms. In the next 4 minutes, you will know the exact levels to watch for INFY's, WIPRO, and HDFCBANK before the opening bell at 09:15 IST. Wall Street closed mixed. The Nasdaq fell 1.15%, leading losses. That kind of move in the tech-heavy index usually signals caution for Indian IT names, but tonight, a powerful exception is unfolding. The S&P 500 slipped 0.57%. The Dow Jones managed a 0.64% gain, showing defensive rotation. Risk appetite is fragmented. Foreign institutional investors pulled out a net 749.18 crore rupees from Indian equities yesterday, a number that keeps the broader mood cautious. The mixed U.S. close, combined with that FII selling, sets up a tug-of-war right at the open. Asia is live and trading mixed while you watch this. The Nikkei 225 is up 0.72%, showing strength in Japanese tech and industrials, a positive cue for Asian risk. The Hang Seng is down 0.15%, flat to slightly negative. There is no single, uniform direction from Asian markets this morning. The composite sentiment, mixed, holds firm. Indian bourses will likely take their own cues from the ADR basket, which tells a far clearer story. Here is the single most important signal. INFY's ADR closed 3.19% higher. WIPRO ADR jumped 3.04%. HDFCBANK ADR gained 2.14%. ICICIBANK ADR added 1.11%. Only DRREDDY slipped, down 0.23%. When 3 of your watchlist stocks see ADRs move more than 2% in the same overnight session, the opening direction for those names is clearly indicated. INFY's, WIPRO, and HDFCBANK are all primed to open higher at 09:15 IST. INFY's is the standout. The ADR's 3.19% overnight surge on the NYSE directly signals a gap-up open. The stock closed yesterday with gains in a firm session, and this ADR confirmation adds conviction to that move. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes is how INFY's behaves near its opening print. If it holds above the initial spike without slipping back, that demonstrates buyers are absorbing the gap. Remember, ADR moves capture overnight sentiment, how domestic institutions react after 09:15 IST confirms whether the momentum sustains. Now, WIPRO carries a very similar setup this morning. WIPRO ADR climbed 3.04% overnight, nearly matching INFY's. That implies a strong positive open for WIPRO as well. The stock left off yesterday's session with stable footing, and this ADR move adds a second heavyweight to the gap-up list. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes is whether WIPRO can maintain its opening strength and not drift lower. A sustainable hold signals that the IT sector bid is broad-based, not just a one-stock story. No single data point guarantees an entire session's direction. Watching price action after the initial print is essential. This brings us to the banking heavyweight. HDFCBank ADR rose 2.14% overnight, pointing to a firm open for the stock. The bank closed yesterday with moderate strength, and this ADR lift suggests positive follow-through. The level to watch in the first 30 minutes is whether HDFCBank respects its opening range and builds on it, or gives back early gains. HDFCBank's weight on the Nifty means its first half-hour behavior can steer overall index sentiment, not just its own chart. With FIIs in selling mode, how the stock absorbs that cross-current is the real observation this morning. 2 things to watch in the first 30 minutes after the open. First, whether INFY's and WIPRO hold their gap-up openings as a pair. Sustained IT strength will set the tone. Second, HDFCBank's opening range and whether it defends early gains or retreats under FII selling pressure. Which stock are you watching at 09:15 IST? Drop it in the comments. Like this briefing and subscribe for daily pre-market videos. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Please consult a SEBI-registered financial advisor before making any investment decisions.